Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are my online friends, thank you so much for my online cuddle. Thank you for your support and your love. And for those of you who just come across me the first time, you're so welcome to this channel. And of course, all you new subscribers, thank you so much. So on this video, I'm going to be talking you through the results of our 10-day challenge. Honey, if you don't know about the challenge, I'm going to leave a card here. You can basically see the results here. These ingredients are beautiful and they work. Go and get your plantain, your banku, your fufu, your falafel. Just go and get it all and come back. I'm going to show you. Okay, intro over. Let's talk about the results of the last 10 days challenge. I'm going to story you. Remember back here, and when I said that we are focusing not on length, but we're focusing on the health of my hair. If your hair is healthy, you will retain the length. So we're not focusing on the growth, we're focusing on health. Isn't that beautiful? Well, it's so true. The condition of my hair completely changed. Hello, this is a 6-day wash and go. For those of you who've been watching me for a long time, you know that whenever I do this, it's usually after the first day of washing. On that day, or maybe the second day, third day, it's starting to tangle up. But look at that, 6 days. Okay, so can you see how shiny it looks? Can you see the curl definition? This 10-day challenge wasn't a bad challenge. It was actually one of my best challenges so far. By now, you'd think I'd have loads of frizz. No, don't have that. You'd think my hair would be tangled up. No, it's still running free. Now, my hair hasn't been picked out. I normally like a nice voluptuous piece of hair on my head. As you can see, after 6 days of wash and go, my hair does not look tangled up. It looks healthy, it's shiny. Let me just show you exactly what it was like for me over the last 10 days. So here's what my hair looked like on day 1 of application. It was lacking luster, it was dry, it was frizzy, and the curls were not popping. So on day 2, I noticed in the morning my hair was really stiff. I ain't gonna lie, I was a little bit nervous at this point. I did wonder whether it was too much protein for my hair, but as you can see on day 4 that my hair started to receive moisture and the curls started to form a little bit more. It was less stiff and more moistured. By day 5, I decided to do a light detangle, and look, hardly any hair shedded. And on day 6, my hair was voluminous, it was super soft, and my hair started to define really nicely. By the 6th day, I really noticed a difference now, and although I kept my hair in a protective style and there was no curl, my hair felt really strong and super hydrated, and it was so manageable. Now this is amazing because this is the next day after washing my hair. My hair is fully dry here. The curls are really popping, there's so much shine on my hair, and this just goes to show that consistency in this routine really pays off. And this was just to show the DHT blocking ingredients, because this was a week's worth of shedding or hair loss. And come and look at the shine on day 9. The challenge was a day and a night routine, which some days it was a bit of a challenge for me to remember to do it, and even on one morning I couldn't even be bothered to do it. The only thing I've got in my hair at the moment is the hair conditioning tea, along with a little bit of the leave-in conditioner, and then sealed in with the Mel's Butter Me Up. So it's got a healthy balance of protein and moisture, and it's strong at the same time. But one of the most key parts I think about this hair conditioning tea is the amount of nutrients that it gives to my hair. My hair feels so soft and bouncy, like it's got so much luster in it. The curls are popping. The poppage is really there. Look at that. Girl, you can't tell me that ain't cute. Do you see what I'm saying, girl? Sis, you've got to do it. Now, although this challenge was really about the focus of the health of your hair, I'm going to show you in a little bit my length check, just so we can have a record to how far I've got till waist length. That is my goal, because at the end of this year, I'm hoping that I reach my targets. Now, I will say that I did switch up my routine a little bit just because I was bored with the challenge. On day 7 is normally wash days. So the difference that I did is after I washed my hair, I just used it as a rinse, which I did not not rinse out. So for the remaining 3 days, I continue spraying the hair conditioning tea into my scalp and massaging it, and then on my ends, and then spraying it really lightly onto the strands of my hair. Okay, so we're gonna do a very quick length check, all right? I don't normally like doing this, but I thought, you know, what the heck, let me do it with my sister. Right, I don't normally do ones like this, but we're gonna try, okay? We are going to try. I can't see a thing. This would be a lot easier if my hair was wet. Okay, so here we are. Here's my hair. Not long to go. Waist length is about here. My hair stops there. I hope you can see. Hope you could see that, because I think I've got about 2.5, 3 inches till I reach waist length. I'm going to be giving a giveaway because I've reached 25,000 subscribers, and I think it's only fair to give back to you guys. I come to you with gifts, but I've only got one blessed winner for these beautiful gifts. These products are what I've been using. I will leave the rules down in the description bar. Please take note of those rules, because I'll be looking for somebody, and somebody will be picked randomly. Please do take note of the details down in the description bar for how to enter this free giveaway. And then, because I'm so lovely, I want to give 2 runners up a prize too. Because I've had so much interest for this hair conditioning tea, I finally made a decision to bring a solution to you all, and here we have it. It's going to be on sale on Amaré-Me website, but I want to give 2 people the chance to have it for free. So I'm going to be sending out these tea rinses, which is the hair conditioning tea. Okay guys, that's it for now. Head over to Amaré-Me, because we're doing all the tea rinses, buy one, get one half price. Isn't that great, eh? Okay, that's enough giving, okay? You can go now. Please let me know in the comments down below if you've been doing this challenge and what your results are. Let me know, share it with everyone. Did you stop doing the challenge? Or did you get great results? Just, you know, share the thing. We want to know. Okay guys, I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, and sharing my videos helps it too. I really appreciate your time. Take care, and God bless you all. Mwah. Bye.